Hey guys, what's going on? Jordan here with Gem State Sports Cards. Just want to do a quick, more in depth recap of tonight's break. We hit a lot of good stuff, and so just want to do a recap of that for you. If you missed part of it, missed all of it, just want to watch the good stuff, great. We'll go over it. Just so everybody knows, I had a great time tonight. I appreciate everybody who participated in tonight's break. It was awesome, super fun. Um, and we will have some more of these blaster box breaks coming up, so keep your eye out. As well as I did mention, we will be doing a hobby box or a hobby mosaic break of a few boxes of choice and the no huddle. So if you're interested, check that out. I'll be posting that in the group soon. So for a recap, we'll start with some of the vets, some of the nicer cards we got. So for the inserts, got a few of these flea flickers, Denver Broncos, Davis Elway McCaffrey, Steelers, Bettis Bradshaw and Juju. Bills, Singletary, Allen, and Diggs. For the Browns, Nick Chubb, Baker Mayfield, and OBJ. That's the green mosaic. We got three of the Bucks: Ronald Jones, Tom Brady, and Mike Evans. So the base, the mosaic, and the green mosaic. For the Got Game, Julian Edelman, Drew Lock green, and a Nick Chubb green mosaic. Will to Win, we got Derrick Henry, Brett Favre, and Russell Wilson green mosaic. So pretty nice inserts. For our base vet, this is just some of the stars plus some of the color cards we got tonight. So base Aaron Rodgers, Russell Wilson Pro Bowl, and two base Wilsons. We got Lamar Jackson Pro Bowl, MVPs, and the base, Patrick Mahomes base, and Tom Brady MVPs. And then the color cards for the vets, Jerome Bettis, Joe Mixon, Josh Jacobs, Terry McLaurin, Adam Thielen, George Kittle, DK Metcalf, Jerry Rice, Jordy Nelson, Sam Darnold, Baker Mayfield, Josh Allen, Drew Brees, Troy Aikman, and we got a Jerry Rice Silver Hall of Fame and a Jalen Ramsey Silver. And then we did get one Genesis card tonight, Charles Tillman for the Bears. Sweet looking Genesis card. And then for our rookies, this is all. These will be all the rookies we pulled tonight. So starting out on the defensive side, Javon Kinlaw, AJ Terrell, Kenneth Murray, Jeff Okudah, Isaiah Simmons, and Chase Young NFL debut. And we did get an AJ Terrell green, an Isaiah Simmons green, and a Chase Young green mosaic. For our running backs, Lynn Bowden Jr., Anthony McFarland, Joshua Kelly, A.J. Dillon, Cam Akers, J.K. Dobbins, DeAndre Swift, Jonathan Taylor, and then a Clyde Edwards-Helaire NFL debut and base rookie, as well as a Jonathan Taylor Silver NFL debut and a Clyde Edwards-Helaire mosaic. And for our wide, well, I'll just say receivers, a few tight ends in here. Chase Claypool, Cole Kmet, Brian Edwards, KJ Hamler, Van Jefferson, Denzel Mims, Jalen Reagor, NFL debut and base. Laviska Shenault, T. Higgins, Henry Ruggs, NFL debut. Jerry Jeudy, NFL debut and base. CeeDee Lamb, NFL debut and base. And we also had the Chase Claypool Silver, the Jalen Reagor Green Mosaic NFL debut, as well as the regular Mosaic. Henry Ruggs Green Mosaic NFL debut. CeeDee Lamb Green Mosaic, and the Brandon Ayuk Silver. And then finally for our quarterbacks, James Morgan and Jake Fromm. And then we got Jalen Hurts, Justin Herbert. Tua had a good night with the NFL debut, as well as 2 of the base rookies. And we had a Joe Burrow NFL debut, as well as a base. And then the hit of the night pulled a Jalen Hurts rookie scripts auto. So really nice card coming out of a blaster box. Can't complain about that at all. All right, guys, that's going to do it for me tonight. I'll get these cards packaged up and shipped out tomorrow. I appreciate, again, the support and for everybody joining the break tonight. Hope everybody has a good night and a good rest of your week.